Hello, English learners around the world. Today's story is more than just action and adventure, it's about resilience, courage, and the unstoppable spirit of a man who turned pain into power. Meet Jackie Chan, a name known in every corner of the globe. But before the fame, there was failure. Before the lights, there were bruises. This story isn't just to entertain you, it's here to help you learn English in the most exciting way. Would you believe that one of the world's biggest movie stars once failed as a Bruce Lee copycat? Born to the stage. Jackie Chan was born in Hong Kong in 1954. His parents were poor and struggled to raise him. At the age of 7, Jackie was sent to the China Drama Academy, a strict school that taught traditional opera, martial arts, acrobatics, and acting. Days were long and tough. He trained for up to 10 hours a day. It was a hard life, full of pain and discipline. While other kids went to regular schools, Jackie was learning how to tumble, kick, flip, and sing. Pain was part of the routine. Every fall left a bruise. Every mistake meant starting over. But Jackie didn't complain. He smiled. He made others laugh. He discovered he had a unique gift, he could entertain while getting hurt. He stood out not because he was the strongest, but because he brought joy even through the pain. The Bruce Lee shadow. In the 1970s, Bruce Lee was the king of martial arts films. His style was serious, intense, and powerful. Everyone in the film industry wanted the next Bruce Lee. Jackie tried to fill that role, acting in serious kung fu films with dramatic expressions and deadly moves. But it didn't work. He wasn't Bruce. He didn't have Bruce's intense stare or his silent power. Jackie's movies failed. Critics said he lacked charisma. Fans didn't connect with him. His dreams seemed to be fading, and people began to lose faith in his talent. Until he decided to try something different. Laughter in the fight. Jackie asked himself, what if I stop trying to be Bruce Lee, and just be myself? So he did. He started mixing action with comedy. He let himself fall, get hit, and act goofy. He made fighting look like dancing. He slipped on banana peels, got stuck in windows, and used ladders, chairs, and anything around him as part of the fight. He turned fights into funny, thrilling performances. Nobody had ever done martial arts like that before. Audiences loved it. He made people laugh and cheer at the same time. Jackie found his true style, fun, fearless, and full of heart. This was the beginning of something new in cinema. Something unforgettable. Risking it all. But being funny didn't mean life got easier. Jackie insisted on doing his own stunts. He jumped from buildings, crashed through glass, slid down skyscrapers, and fought in moving cars. He broke his nose, fingers, ankles, even cracked his skull during a stunt in Yugoslavia. Doctors told him to stop, but Jackie kept going. Many people told him to stop. Insurance companies refused to cover him. Studios were scared. But he didn't care. Every scar told a story. Every injury built his legend. From Drunken Master to Police Story, Jackie's films exploded across Asia. He became a box office king. But he wasn't satisfied. He had a bigger dream, to conquer Hollywood. The international stage. It wasn't easy. His first few attempts in America didn't do well. The movies flopped. Language was a barrier. So was culture. Hollywood didn't know what to do with a short, funny Chinese guy who did his own stunts. They didn't believe in his style. Jackie felt alone in a foreign land. But Jackie didn't give up. He worked on his English. He studied comedy. He kept trying. Then came Rush Hour. Paired with comedian Chris Tucker, Jackie became a sensation. Audiences around the world laughed, gasped, and cheered. The chemistry between Jackie's martial arts and Chris's jokes was electric. The movie was a massive hit, followed by 2 sequels that made him a household name in America and beyond. He had done it. Jackie Chan was now a global star. The power of being yourself. Jackie Chan's story teaches us this: you don't have to be someone else to be great. You just have to be yourself. He turned failure into comedy. He turned pain into performance. He turned fear into fame. He turned obstacles into opportunities. And most importantly, he never gave up. His journey reminds us that our differences are our strengths. That joy and pain can live together. That even in a world full of noise, being your true self can still shine the brightest. Vocabulary to learn from this story: resilience, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Acrobatics, physical exercises that involve jumping, flipping, or balancing. Goofy, silly in a funny or playful way. Stuntman, a person who performs dangerous scenes in movies. Breakthrough, an important achievement or success after hard work. Entertain, to make people enjoy watching or listening. Risk, the possibility of danger or loss. Obstacle, something that blocks your way or makes things difficult. Charisma, a personal charm or appeal that attracts others. Performance, the act of doing something, especially in front of an audience. Persistence, not giving up even when it's hard. Legend, a very famous person known for doing something great. Did Jackie Chan's journey blow your mind? Smash that like button if you learned something new today. Comment below, what part of Jackie's story made you feel inspired or surprised? Want to improve your English? Try making a short video or story using today's vocabulary. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more powerful real-life stories coming to help you level up your English the fun way. See you in the next episode, English Heroes.